We'll continue with starting number 415, Elena Silap and Una Djuricic from Serbia.
You tell me it gets better in time. You say to pull myself together, pull it together, you'll be fine. Tell me what the hell do you know? What do you know? Tell me how the hell could you know? How could you know? Till it happens to you, you don't know how I feel. How I feel. Till it happens to you, you won't know. It won't be real. No, it won't be real. Won't know how I feel. Till your world burns and crashes. Till you're at the end of the road. Till you're standing in my shoes. I don't want to hear nothing from you, from you, 'cause you don't know. Till it happens to you, you won't know how I feel.
Thank you, Elena and Una from Serbia. Let's continue with another duo from Canada.